this is bitter leaf. I want to wash it. I'll keep washing and keep washing and keep washing until the bitterness is almost completely gone. Some people may be wondering what I will use it for. In Africa, I am a Nigerian. We use it to make soup and other foods. This one, I will use it to make soup, and I will choose some. After watching it, I will choose some. Later, I will tell you what I usually chew it for. I just eat it just like that. So it makes a good soup, even though it is called bitter leaf. But after washing it and then you prepare it, it makes a good soup. Let's continue. As you can see, it is foaming, and if I leave it, I won't be able to wash. It won't be easy for me to wash. So I will add oil, little quantity of oil. This is palm oil. Vegetable oil will still serve. This oil will calm down the foaming, to stop it from foaming. Watch out and see what happens now. You can see the foaming has stopped. I'll add another water. So this is the process. I will keep repeating. I will wash and pour out the water, put a fresh one. I will continue that way until the bitterness is gone. can also add it to your egusi soup as the vegetable, as well as in ogbono. But this one, I will use it to prepare Anambra bitter leaf soup. Like I said before, I'll keep changing the water. So we are good to go now. I can chew it now. The water is non-clear. Come and show them the water. You can see the water is non-clear. Unlike how it was when we started. It was so greenish. When I prepare the soup, I will show you the process, but not today. It's already after 6 p.m. So I can't cook it now. But anytime, I will store it in the fridge. Anytime I will cook it, maybe tomorrow or next. I will record the process. I'll make a video to tell you why I eat it. At times I'll just buy it to eat, just like that. I'm chewing it now. I'll make a video to tell you why, what it does to me, what I personally have observed. See you in my next video. Bye.